In this video, I will guide you on how to fix autoplay videos on LinkedIn app. First, launch open the LinkedIn app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, if your videos are not autoplaying, then what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, look for the option of settings, tap on it. Now, tap on account preferences. Here, look for the option of autoplay videos, tap on that. Now, select the option of either Wi-Fi connections only or on mobile data and Wi-Fi connections. Select this option, then head back. Now the videos will start auto-playing either in mobile data connection or Wi-Fi connection. If it is not auto-playing, then you can simply close the application, then launch it open again and check if it's working now. If it's still not working, make sure that you're using the latest version of LinkedIn app. To check, open Play Store or App Store, then search LinkedIn. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to long press on LinkedIn app, then tap on this app info icon. Here, look for storage, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, open LinkedIn and all the videos should now start to autoplay. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.